Hey guys, we have a little unboxing today and it comes from the brand Polène. This is something that I've been really wanting to get ever since I discovered this brand. Here it comes with a postcard and a dust bag that looks very substantial. It feels very luxurious. This bag is the Polène Numéro Nano in shade camel, and I've got the one in smooth leather. I love it because it's very low-key, like if you're not familiar about the brand, you won't really know that it's Polène. Plus, it is very well made and meticulously done. It comes with an adjustable and detachable strap. It has feet at the bottom to protect your bag from dirts and scratches. Look at the details. The quality of this bag is beyond perfection. Let me know if you want to what fits inside this bag video. Bye!